Begin the firmware upload procedure. Open the firmware updater software and connect your computer to the controller with an RS-232 to USB hardwired cable. Note, you cannot do this process over Bluetooth. Ensure your controller is powered on and follow step 1 by clicking Refresh COM, clicking this drop-down menu and selecting the COM port of interest. So in this case, I will be using COM 5. The baud rate is already selected, so there's nothing for you to type in here. And then you're going to click Open. Next, you're going to select your file for upload. So I've already downloaded that file, and as I've explained, I'm currently using version 38 R08. Next, move on to step 3, where you're going to get into the bootload mode. So to begin, you're going to type in the password. In this case, it's password automation with a capital A and no N, so AUTOMATIO. From here, you can see all of these have ungrayed, so you can click Log into Controller. You could jump into the bootload right away, but what I would like to do first is actually check to see what version of firmware I currently have on my controller. So you're going to go to this text box on the top right and click Check Version and Release. So you can see here I'm currently running 38 R07 and I want to update to R08, which is correct. So going back into the bootloader mode, I'm already logged in. Next, I'm going to click Jump to Bootloader, which puts the controller into bootload mode. From there, go down to step 4 and click Upload Image, Start Upload. Now, as you can see, the firmware is beginning to upload, and this progress bar will show you the progress. It's a fairly quick process, should take around a minute or less to complete. Now, as you can see, the firmware upload is now complete. A pop-up box comes up to denote that, and I'm going to click OK. If when completing this bootload update process, something goes wrong, so for example, your serial cable is disconnected, this upload image progress bar will turn red and start flashing if the process was not complete. So from here, I want to check and see if that worked correctly. So I'm going to click Log into Controller to make sure I'm connected. I'm going to go back to this Check Version and Release section and click Check Version and Release. Now you can see I'm running version 38 R08. If for any reason you would like to toggle back to the previous version you have uploaded onto your controller, for a multitude of reasons, maybe you like it better, or maybe when you did this upload, something was corrupt and was not functioning correctly, you can easily do that through the software. So again, go to this section directly beneath, which is called Swap to Previous Version or Release. Click Log into Controller, jump to Bootload, swap to Previous Version and Release, and you'll notice a pop-up. This says the previous version you have is version 38 R7. Would you like to run the previous firmware? If yes, click, and then we have to click Confirm, and from there it's been selected and has been completed. From here, I'd like to check if that has been done correctly. So I'm going to click Log into Controller again, check Version and Release, and as you can see, I'm now reverted back to 38 R07.